Hi again, it's ApriLynn. Today we are going to be making pancake mix cinnamon rolls, but we're going to attempt to make gluten-free pancake mix cinnamon rolls, which almost everything that I've attempted to make gluten-free hasn't turned out. And I've decided to use this ube mochi pancake mix because I feel like the mochi in it will make the cinnamon roll chewy and good, like the texture of mochi. So we'll see. This is from Trader Joe's. Ube won't affect the flavor that much. It's just like kind of tastes vanilla-y to me. Okay, so we're following a recipe I found on Pinterest, and this thing is leaking. Of course, the coffee maker is going. If you hear that, it's the coffee maker. Sorry. This one's almost empty. And it's filling 3 cups of pancake mix. Ah, measuring. Why is this spilling everywhere? Okay. 3 cups of pancake mix. If there is 3 cups. There's almost 1 cup in my leftover one. A new bag. Ooh, that'll be cutting it close if there's 3 cups in here. Well, hopefully. It smells so good. If you haven't had ube stuff, it's so good. 1 cup. Goodness! 2 cups. 3 cups. That was very powdery. Real quick, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Okay. Milk and butter is all you mix in here. 4 tablespoons of butter. Wait, 1/4 cup, which is 4 tablespoons. And it says softened. And 1 cup of milk. Ah! Oh my gosh. Very dramatic. Is this my question? Okay. This is whole milk. Should I do the butter? La 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 la. Okay, softened the butter and melted a little bit of it. And 1 cup of milk. These are gonna be purple because of the ube, but more pretty. Stir until combined. Is this enough liquid? It says knead and roll out into a rectangle. I wonder if I need to like put something down, because what if it like sticks? This looks like Play-Doh. It's gorgeous. Look at it. Beautiful. Okay, before I roll that out, I'm gonna make the filling, which is 1/3 cup of melted butter, close enough, brown sugar, regular sugar, and cinnamon. Completely melted? It says melted. Butter has been melted. I don't know if I have enough. I don't know if I have enough regular sugar. If I don't, I'll just use more brown sugar. 1/4 cup. feel like brown sugar would be better anyways because of the molasses. Pretty close to enough. I'll just put a smidge more of the brown. 3/4 cup. Shut it, mate! The oven is ready. And 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. I don't want to get more dishes out, so I'm just going to stir this with the teaspoon. This smells so good. This better work. Let's see how this dough rolls. Beautiful! I feel like I'm rolling out Play-Doh. Ah! I knew this wasn't gonna be easy to roll. I'm just gonna use my hands. It doesn't say how thick. Look how many this is gonna make, like 3? Just depends on how tall. I feel like I'm playing with Play-Doh. Maybe once I mush it into shape, I can roll it a little bit easier. Oh yeah. Oh, it was going so good. Excuse me, ma'am. Stop picking up my dough. Ugh. Gasp. Hopefully I can roll this. Okay, this side looks perfect. This side looks like a hot mess. Maybe if I do that and this, a little zhuzh, a little zhazh, a little zhuzhy zhazh. Beautiful. Okay. I think that's good. Hopefully it's not too thick. Never made homemade. Actually I have. I don't remember how thick they are. This recipe is very hands-on. Get it? Because I'm using my hands. Excuse you. But I wasn't talking to you. And if it was funny, don't fake laugh. Yes, you were. He's so pretty. Okay, looks beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now we're gonna attempt to roll this. I don't know. Excuse you. I don't know. This is not gonna go well. Oh, good thing I put down some paper. Maybe that will help. Please roll! Please! It's like I'm making sushi. Oh! Okay, wax paper was the move. Ah! Oh, sorry, that was dramatic. These are like Valentine's Day because they're purple and pink. Okay, I gotta say, the wax paper was the move. This is rolling so good. I thought for sure it was gonna be poopy, pop-pop, pee-pee. It's like I'm making a pumpkin roll. Look at that, it's beautiful! I don't know. We must pour the tea. Okay, now we're gonna cut these. Like, are they supposed to be like an inch? Does this say? All it says is 12 equal portions. I don't know if I can get 12 out of this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, I guess I spoke too soon. Because I got 12. And a little baby. Ah! Okay. Let's see how well these cook up. I have a 9 by 13. Let's see if I can fit them all in here. If I can get them out the woks. I feel like it needs more cinnamon sugar, but whatever. Oh, it's gorgeous! As of right now. Ah, my butt fell off. Well, I don't have space for my little in one. I'll cook up like an actual pancake maybe. Eee. Gorgeous. You're so gorgeous. Purple cinnamon rolls. Oh. Oh. The recipe doesn't say to do this, but a lot of cinnamon roll recipes right now are putting heavy cream. So I'm gonna see how much I need. I feel like it'll just make it. You know? 1 cup, it says.
Down with the ladybugs.
What'd you just say?
Those are big.
Yeah, we'll see how they bake. That one just pooped. In the oven for 20-ish minutes till they're golden brown. Hopefully I can tell if they're golden brown, seeing they're purple. Please let Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Starting now.
I'm saying it's getting more fulfilled. It's not like a normal dip.
Because it's pancake mix.
That's probably why. It tastes like dough right out of that. How do you get stiff? How do you stiff pancake?
How do I get what?
Stiff pancake.
Stiff? I mixed it with different things. I'm gonna put a little bit of brown sugar because I think that would be good. I'm just winging it. If it doesn't taste good, I'll start over. I feel like the molasses and the brown sugar will make a good flavor, but it might be too crystally. I could just put molasses in. Do I have molasses?
What?
I don't know. It is kind of crystally. I'm gonna microwave it. We're just experimenting. Also making a mess. That worked perfectly. It's milky. I'm gonna let it cool. Add a little bit more of this. I feel like it needs vanilla. Real vanilla, and it's freaking amazing, and you only need a little tiny bit. Okay. We'll set this aside, let it cool, see if I need to add more ingredients, if I even have enough. This is what it looks like. Brownish. Look at these oven mitts. They're so freaking cute. They're from Aldi. I love them. I don't know if these are done. They look insane. Does this look done? Looks like turds. I don't think they're done. Let's do like 5 more minutes. I think they're done, but they don't look very good. I also destroyed that one to see if the inside was done. It was a poopy one anyways. It looks like, that doesn't look, I don't know. I'm gonna let them cool off a minute. These ones look good. Well, not good, but like done. Done-ish. Maybe? Okay. Well, they're gonna sit there for a minute and then we'll see. Okay, they're supposedly done. I don't know how these are gonna taste. They look like, I don't know. Let's put the frosting on. We're gonna taste them. It's probably because they're gluten-free. Do you want to come test these? Seeing you're the...
Do I?
You're the harsh critic.
What?
This is... Okay, we're gonna test. See if this collection was a fail, which is looking like it, but you never know until you taste it. See movement back there? I need to come in this direction. Oh, your head's not even in. Ah!
What? Can you see me?
Don't just dig in, you dummy. What do you think you are?
Okay.
I got you a plate. I need to fix my camera.
Okay.
Also, why would you dig into the one piece that didn't have frosting on?
It does.
Oh, it does it? No! I don't want your judgment to be tainted from that piece.
What? It looks the same. It's hot. It's good though.
The flavor is really good. The texture is a little soft.
Very hot. Still hot.
Yeah, the flavor is really good.
Yeah, mine's good. I don't think it's too soft.
You don't think so? This is the center. Does it taste cinnamon rolly?
Yeah.
worried that it was gonna be a flop. It's actually really good.
Real good. Wow. Oh yeah. We got.
Yum. Yay! Finally something turned somewhat out.
Well.
Maybe it just looks weird because I use the ube. My harsh critics said yes, so. Would I make them again? Actually, yeah, it would. They're good. Yay! Are they 10 out of 10 good? They're gluten-free, so you tell me. They're probably like a 7 out of 10. 7.5, 8. Somewhere in between there. Good. And they're super easy. I've seen like actual, like super homemade gluten-free ones that look pretty good, but I just hadn't had taken the time to do that. So yeah, that's it for today's video and experimenting with. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye-bye.
Blaming all the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano.
Cinnamon roll out of pancake mix. Bye-bye now. Goodbye.